There aren't many model airplanes as popular as the Lufthansa Airbus A340-600 in 1 to 400 scale. Every time one is released, it sells out in a heartbeat. The last release was in 2025 by the brand YY Wings. Maybe you haven't heard of them yet, but trust me, at the end of this video, you remember that name. I was lucky enough to have gotten one of their Lufthansa A340s in a flaps down configuration, and that's the model I'm going to review for you today. The model I have has the registration Delta-Alpha India Hotel Foxtrot and is painted in Lufthansa's new livery, which is nice, but let's be honest, we all prefer the old one over this. So, let me just quickly explain to you how my reviews work. I have 4 categories I look at and grade. We'll start off by looking at the box and the packaging, then the mold, the landing gear, and last but not least, the printing and overall quality of the model. Each category gets a score out of 5, respectively out of 10, for the mold and quality, which will then determine the model's final rating. So, let's start off with the box of this model. We get a pretty standard box from YY Wings with a nice artwork of the aircraft on the front and back of the box. I would have loved a GeminiJet style flip top to have a look at the model inside. I also wish that there was some information or facts about the A340 written on the box, as I always like that feature. Where YY Wings shine though is with the little extras we get. Together with the model, we also receive a nice collector's card with some information on the aircraft, as well as a rather classy looking plastic stand, which is always nice, especially with a flaps down model airplane. The box itself could have been a bit better, but I also really appreciate the extras we get with this model. Therefore, I'll give the box a score of 4 out of 5. Now let's move on to the actual model airplane and inspect the mold. It's worth pointing out though that this isn't a YY Wings mold. All YY Wings models are in fact made by HX Models. But are they any good? One of the most recognizable and important parts of a model is of course the nose. While I think this HX Models A340 nose looks decent, there is definitely still a bit of room for improvement. It could definitely be a bit pointier, but other than that, it looks quite good. While not perfectly shaped, I like the addition of the Wi-Fi dome as well as the tiny aerials on this model. The wings are definitely the best part of this model. They are very well shaped and are connected beautifully to the fuselage. The flaps down feature on this model is also executed extremely well. There is a nice gap between the wing and the flaps, just like in real life, and it really does look fantastic. The engines too are very detailed and are even see-through, although it's not really visible in this video. HX Models really went above and beyond with the wings and the engines of this A340. The underside of the model reveals more impressive detailing. The NECA air intakes are well placed and shaped, and we also find a unique stand hole with a rubber insert, making sure the stand fits tightly. The rear of this A340 also looks very accurate to its real-life counterpart, with some extra attention to detail around the APU exhaust. The vertical and horizontal stabilizers look good too, and all in all this is a very impressive mold with very few flaws. I'll have to give it a 9.5 out of 10, as it really is quite remarkable. Before we move on to the landing gear, please drop a like if you're enjoying this video so far. It helps me grow the channel and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks! Now back to the landing gear. Overall, the landing gear on this model looks very nice and the gear legs are very detailed. The tires all roll very smoothly, if that's a feature you care about. Spoiler! I don't like this feature. Check out my unpopular opinion video for that. The main landing gear features a tilting mechanism, but sadly it only works on the middle bogie, which is a bit of a shame. The tires are also ever so slightly too big, but that's just a small complaint. Magnetic detachable gear would have been nice, like we see on some Aviation 400 models, but for the moment we do not get this feature on this A340. Overall, the gear is still very good and I don't have any major issues with it. A score of 4 out of 5 seems fair to me. Last but not least, we'll look at the printing and overall quality of this model. The printing, like on all HX and YY Wings models, is superb and some of the best of any 400 scale brand. The livery is spot on and we get so much printed detail. There is no other brand that provides us with this many different panel lines, which is especially noticeable on the model's underside. If you want this level of accuracy, then this model is the right choice for you. The lines could be printed a bit thinner, but that's no big deal. If there is one aspect of the print that should be improved on, though, it's definitely the cockpit windows. They're just placed a bit awkwardly and I really hope they fix it with their future A340s. The build quality of this model is also very good, with the only issue being the landing gear that doesn't properly tilt. Otherwise, it's a very well made model with a great quality. I'll have to deduct 1.5 points for the gear and the cockpit windows, but a score of 8.5 out of 10 is still very good. Now it's time to add up all the different scores in order to determine this Lufthansa's A340's final rating. When dividing our total points tally of 26 by 3, we get our final rating of a very strong 8.7 out of 10. Let me know if I should make a ranking with all the models I review like I did in my old videos. So, is this the best A340-600 in 1:400 scale? The answer is, I honestly don't know. I also have a Phoenix Models Lufthansa A340-600 in the old livery, and I have to say that the Phoenix example is also very strong. Especially the nose of the Phoenix looks better to me. Otherwise, I would say that the YY Wings and HX Models version has the edge. Especially the better printing and the wings and engines are better on the YY Wings model, but in the end it's for you to choose what you prefer. Both A340s are excellent. Just stay away from the GeminiJets and JC Wings A340s, as those are very outdated and almost look like a toy next to these two models. Probably the best part about the YY Wings model is the price, however. Brand new, this model will cost you around $40 to $50, which is very cheap for a 400 scale model, and you even get the cool extras like the collector's card and the stand with it. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions on this model down below in the comments. If you're in the mood, why not watch one of these videos next? Don't forget to subscribe to Swiss400 for more interesting model airplane content. Thanks for watching and until next time, goodbye aviators!